everything is tight. Just doesn't close. So I left this on, but we're gonna replace this unit. So I got everything I need, my recovery machine, tank, got my scale, got my bag. Yes, sir. All right, here in the attic, about to change out this all-star coil. Take the ducts out, cut the lines, everything's already recovered, the refrigerant. So the unit stays, the furnace, and then just add the coil, supply box, and get at it. Back here, just trying to take off the duct work. I got the other guy, he's coming in a little bit. So just get ahead of the game and just start early. It's hot. We're out here in Allen, Texas. Get her done, get her done. Drain line for the pan. Took 3 ducts out of here from the back side. So I'm gonna go in the front and just take out the other side of the pan. So now I'm gonna cut the main drain. I'll probably just redo the whole thing because it's not. I want to put a P-trap, so yeah, I'll probably just cut right here and get at it. Start taking off this pookie, make it a little bit easier. I'll probably open up the top here, so when I move this case, it'll just be lighter. That's what I'm gonna get. So just take the screws off, pull the top off, pull the coil, and then when I go down the stairs, it'll be not so heavy. lid off. So I'm about to take this coil. About to take it off. So I got the other guy. I think he's coming right now. Gotta be careful. These motherfuckers are sharp. So now that I take this box out, it's gonna be light, easy, because this is the All-Star Club. Damn it, boy! Good morning. Nah, you can't be sweating yet, man. So not too bad. I already got the ducts out. It looks like they'll make it at least. Maybe that one over there. We'll run it behind the joist. Give it some extra slack. So the box is here and the coil's here. I think we'll be all right. Boss man out there taking the coil out. Oh, there goes the dolly. Oh damn, no helping, just recording. So yeah, as you can see, we got the old one out. We got 2 condensers. That's for a different job, but one of those condensers is coming here. So yeah, right now just doing my little water break. Trying to get it. Espinoza. What you think? What you think? He a Marine. He lost his ear. Hearing. I know, man. I was telling you that you're a Marine. You lost your hearing. I'm saying, well, what you think? Gotta live the dream, right?
Yes, sir.
Any words of encouragement for the hot summer days here in Texas?
Stay positive.
And hydrated.
Yeah, hydrated.
All right, y'all. Cut the supply box down. Just to fit in this little area right here. So we got the coil up. Got the duct out. It's hot, but it's keeping us cool. Boss man, you got any words? Get off the damn phone. Boss man said, get off the phone. I'm not paying you to be on YouTube and Instagram.
Hey, this isn't union time.
This is union time, damn it, boy. Nah, it feels good. At least we had that duct open, man, because I swear it was freaking hot up there. We'll just tape that along here, make it nice and tight. Got the NAVAC 2 bender, the NTB 7L. Comes with a charger. You got your battery, your bender, and your gun. So we're gonna try to bend this bad boy right here, right in there. Just unscrew it in here. Get this bad boy. Just hit it in there. Battery. Got the on and off button.
In and out.
The handles, the in and out, just back it up. Well, I appreciate NAVAC. Thank you guys so much. HVAC God, thank you. Team Orange, all right.
Yes, sir.
Back it off. And the cool thing is we got this piece right here that will knock the copper off. Watch. I'll see till the copper gets here how it's going to spread apart.
That's pretty cool.
There you go. No crazy ribs on here. Good to go right there.